Hi, we are talking for the fourth point under the principles and or the fundamentals of naturopathy. DNY is first year and book number 2, chapter number 2. So under this question, point number 5 is treatment is for your whole body and not for the particular disease. So in generally what happens कि हम लोग जो कुछ पर्टिकुलर डायबिटीज़ है तो हम वो डायबिटीज़ की एक टैबलेट लेंगे, फिर बीपी है तो बीपी की एक लेंगे, थायराइड है तो थायराइड की एक लेंगे, सर्दी है तो सर्दी की एक लेंगे, डायरिया तो डायरिया की एक लेंगे। हे भगवान, कितनी सारी मेडिसिन ले रहे हो, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको कुछ नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि आपको पता है पॉइंट नंबर 1 इज़ दैट कॉज और ट्रीटमेंट एक ही है बॉडी का, 10 चीज़ें लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो पॉइंट नंबर 5 है जो है treatment is for the whole body and not for a particular disease. So in that case our system's treatment is not as per the symptoms, but it heals the entire body, it cleanses the entire body. कहीं पे भी टॉक्सिन्स हो वो क्लीन करेगा। कौन क्लीन करेगा? हमारे पंच महाभूता, जो हमारे 5 एलिमेंट्स है वो क्लीन करेंगे। तो आपको वो टेंशन नहीं लेना है कि क्या हो रहा है, वो जस्ट लीव इट। इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग रियली वेरी अनईजी, डू नॉट गो एंड रश फॉर योर टेस्ट एंड ऑल। सीधा टेक अ नाइस सन बाथ, टेक मड बाथ, have a hip bath, take a nice gili patti, and also one day you can have water fasting and you will heal yourself. So please don't panic for chronic diseases, you'll be fine, absolutely fine. So the first point under point number 5 is our other systems that treat symptoms naturally is naturopathy, that purifies your body. Second point, other toxins are removed, diseases vanish automatically. And the next one is थर्ड पॉइंट में आपको एग्जाम्पल देना है। इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग और ट्रीटिंग योरसेल्फ विद वेरियस टेस्ट और टेकिंग एनी external drugs or tablets, just we should trust on naturopathy, because naturopathy cleanses the whole system, improvises our diseases, digestion, circulation, as well as boosts our immunity. So this is our point number 5. Now point number 6 is no special need for any disease diagnosis. So इसके नीचे लिखना है nature itself is your doctor, it knows how to heal if any problem is happening in your organs, in your body. So let the nature be your doctor. Do not allow anybody to enter your body except the 5 elements. Then the next point is, for example, if take the examples of animals, because the examples are given in your book, so I'm giving the same example, that animals, when they fall ill or they are uneasy, they have only one way. They trust Panch Mahabhuta. They just lie, or they are rolling on the soil, they are staying calm in the water, and maybe they even fast and take rest. That day they may not have any food and they heal themselves in that manner. Similarly, we can heal ourselves also by no special need for disease diagnosis. Okay, then so we'll continue with the next 7, 8, 9 and 10 in our next episode. So for just go through, revise, learn well for your exam. Bye, take care, stay healthy. This is Sarika Patwa.